The art of air plant display. Welcome to Plant Care, where we explore the beauty and art of incorporating air plants into your home decor. In this video, we will show you creative ways to showcase air plants, provide tips for designing aesthetically pleasing displays, and share DIY ideas for crafting unique arrangements. Join us as we delve into the world of air plant display and be inspired to elevate your living space with these stunning botanical beauties. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to bring a touch of nature indoors. Creative ways to showcase air plants in your home decor. One creative way to showcase air plants in your home decor is by using unconventional containers that add a unique touch to your living space. Consider displaying your air plants in vintage teacups, glass terrariums, or even seashells. These unexpected containers can instantly elevate the aesthetic of your home and provide a visually appealing focal point. By thinking outside the box when it comes to choosing containers for your air plants, you can create a dynamic and interesting display that sparks conversation and adds personality to your decor. Another innovative way to showcase air plants in your home decor is by incorporating them into wall art or hanging displays. Create a living wall by mounting air plants on wooden plaques or hanging them in geometric metal planters. These vertical displays not only save space but also draw the eye upward, adding dimension and interest to your walls. Additionally, hanging air plant displays can be easily rearranged and updated, allowing you to experiment with different layouts and configurations to suit your evolving style and design preferences. To further enhance the visual impact of your air plant display, consider playing with different textures and colors in your decor. Mix and match air plants with contrasting elements such as pebbles, driftwood, or dried flowers to create a harmonious yet eye-catching arrangement. The juxtaposition of textures and colors will add depth and complexity to your display, making it visually compelling and engaging. Experiment with different combinations until you find a balance that resonates with your personal aesthetic and enhances the overall look and feel of your home. In addition to incorporating air plants into your decor, consider accessorizing your display with ambient lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Place LED string lights or small accent lamps near your air plant arrangements to illuminate them and highlight their unique shapes and features. The soft glow of the lights will not only enhance the beauty of the air plants but also create a cozy and intimate environment in your living space. By thoughtfully integrating lighting into your air plant display, you can elevate the overall ambiance of your home and create a visually stunning focal point that captivates and inspires. Tips for designing aesthetically pleasing air plant displays. When designing aesthetically pleasing air plant displays, it is essential to consider the principles of balance and symmetry to create visual harmony. Arrange your air plants in a way that distributes visual weight evenly across the display, ensuring that no single element dominates the arrangement. Incorporate a mix of sizes, shapes, and textures to add interest and diversity to your display. By carefully balancing these elements, you can create a cohesive and visually appealing arrangement that captures attention and adds beauty to your space. Another tip for designing stunning air plant displays is to pay attention to color coordination and contrast. Pair air plants with containers or decorative elements that complement or contrast their natural coloring to create a harmonious and eye-catching display. Consider incorporating a mix of vibrant and muted hues to add depth and dimension to your arrangement. By playing with color and contrast, you can create a visually dynamic display that is both captivating and aesthetically pleasing. To elevate your air plant displays, consider incorporating natural elements such as rocks, moss, or driftwood to create a cohesive and organic look. These natural materials not only complement the air plants but also add texture and visual interest to the display. Experiment with different combinations of materials to create unique and visually compelling arrangements that resonate with the natural beauty of air plants. The incorporation of natural elements will not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your display but also create a sense of tranquility and connection with nature in your living space. Lastly, when designing air plant displays, consider the overall aesthetic and style of your home decor to ensure that the display complements and enhances the existing design. Whether your style is minimalist, bohemian, or traditional, tailor your air plant arrangements to align with the overall look and feel of your space. By integrating air plants in a way that harmonizes with your decor style, you can create a seamless and cohesive look that ties the elements of your space together and enhances the visual appeal of your home. Unconventional containers for displaying air plants. When exploring unconventional containers for displaying air plants, the possibilities are vast and offer a unique way to showcase these fascinating plants. Look beyond traditional plant pots and consider using items such as seashells, glass globes, or vintage teacups to create visually captivating displays. These unconventional containers add an element of creativity and whimsy to your air plant arrangements, making them stand out and become a conversation piece in your home. Repurposing everyday objects into containers for air plants not only adds a touch of originality to your decor but also promotes sustainability by giving new life to old items. Consider using items like driftwood, old light bulbs, or vintage books as creative vessels for your air plants. By upcycling these items into plant containers, you can infuse your space with personality and character while also contributing to environmental consciousness through repurposing and reducing waste. Incorporating unconventional containers for air plants allows for endless possibilities for customization and personalization. Experiment with unique containers that reflect your interests and style, such as geometric terrariums, hanging macrame planters, or vintage bird cages. These unconventional containers provide a blank canvas for creativity, enabling you to express your personality and design sensibilities through your air plant displays. Embrace the opportunity to mix and match different containers to create a diverse and eclectic collection of air plant arrangements that showcase your individuality and creativity. By thinking outside the box and exploring alternative containers for displaying air plants, you can transform your living space into a curated gallery of botanical art. Discovering unconventional containers opens up a world of creative opportunities to showcase air plants in unexpected and visually stunning ways. Whether you choose quirky, repurposed objects or sleek, modern vessels, the key is to let your imagination run wild and experiment with different containers to create one-of-a-kind displays that elevate the beauty of air plants in your home. Harnessing natural light to enhance your air plant arrangements. Natural light plays a pivotal role in enhancing the beauty and health of air plant arrangements. Positioning your air plants in spaces where they can receive adequate natural light is crucial for their growth and overall well-being. These plants thrive in bright, indirect sunlight, making them ideal for placement near windows or in areas with ample natural light. By harnessing natural light, you can create optimal conditions for your air plants to flourish and display vibrant colors and unique forms. One fascinating aspect of utilizing natural light for air plants is how different light intensities can impact their growth and appearance. Variations in light exposure can influence the coloration, size, and texture of air plants, providing a dynamic and ever-changing display in your living space. Observing how natural light interacts with your air plants throughout the day can offer insights into their specific light requirements and help you determine the best placement for optimal growth and visual appeal. In addition to aesthetic benefits, natural light is essential for the photosynthesis process, which is crucial for the survival of air plants. Sunlight provides the energy needed for air plants to produce nutrients and thrive. By strategically arranging your air plants in areas with suitable natural light levels, you are supporting their physiological processes and ensuring they receive the energy necessary for healthy growth and development. Proper exposure to natural light not only enhances the visual appeal of your air plant arrangements but also nurtures their vitality and longevity. Capturing the beauty of your air plants under natural light can create mesmerizing visual effects, highlighting the intricate patterns and textures of these unique plants. Observing the interplay of light and shadows on air plant leaves can reveal delicate details and enhance the sculptural quality of their forms. When arranging your air plants to take advantage of natural light, consider how different angles and intensities of light can create dynamic and captivating displays that showcase the elegance and natural beauty of these resilient plants. DIY ideas for crafting unique air plant displays. Crafting unique air plant displays through do-it-yourself (DIY) projects offers endless creative possibilities for adding a personal touch to your plant decor. One exciting aspect of DIY air plant displays is the opportunity to repurpose everyday items into innovative and visually striking plant holders. By upcycling materials such as driftwood, seashells, old books, or vintage containers, you can create one-of-a-kind displays that reflect your individual style and aesthetic preferences. Experimenting with various techniques and materials in DIY air plant displays allows you to explore different textures, colors, and design elements to enhance the visual impact of your arrangements. Incorporating elements like macrame hangers, geometric shapes, or hanging terrariums can elevate the presentation of your air plants and transform them into captivating focal points within your home. The versatility of DIY projects enables you to tailor your air plant displays to suit different spaces and occasions, whether you prefer minimalist, bohemian, or modern design aesthetics. Creating DIY air plant displays also fosters a deeper connection with nature and encourages a hands-on approach to plant care and home decor. Engaging in crafting projects not only provides a creative outlet but also offers a sense of accomplishment as you bring your unique vision to life. By customizing your air plant displays through DIY initiatives, you can infuse personality and charm into your living space while showcasing your creativity and style. Embracing DIY ideas for crafting air plant displays opens up a world of design possibilities and allows you to express your love for plants in imaginative and artistic ways. The art of air plant display. If you enjoyed learning about the art of air plant displays, be sure to check out our other videos on plant care for more inspiration to enhance your living space with nature. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our botanical journey together. Thank you for watching.